She said she just wanna party. She fuck with bosses, boy, just watch how you be talking.
Hey y'all, so today's mask is super easy to make, if I will say so, because I do mask a lot because I've been learning that it's been helping my hair, and this is definitely one of the easier ones. I just used a knife and a spoon, and today's mixture is going to start off with some plain yogurt, and later on in the video I'm going to give more explanation what each thing does for our hair and why it's a good natural mask and all the benefits. But yeah, I made this mask for 2 heads. I did this for me and my dad's girlfriend, so I put about I don't know, I didn't count, maybe 5 scoops of yogurt. Next is the avocado. I cut off the ends so it's flat, and then I scoop out the ends and then just start cutting it up. Shine and reduce hair fall. The avocado in it helps with, because it has multivitamins, it has minerals like copper and iron in it. There's collagen. It helps with hair retention. It's very moisturizing, and it unclogs your follicles and helps with hair volume as well. The rice bran oil helps prevent hypersensitivity in your hair. It helps fight off dandruff as well, prevents hair damage. It helps thicken your hair. It conditions your hair and strengthens roots and helps with split ends. It makes your hair soft. The honey is an emollient, so it strengthens follicles, it locks in moisture, and prevents hair fall. It's high in antioxidants, it's antiseptic and antibacterial and moisturizing. And the black seed oil helps with reducing hair fall, helps promote hair growth. It's good for hair volume and thickness as well. It's great in fatty acids. It has iron and calcium in it, and it's also antibacterial as well, and helps with dandruff and moisture. So all of these things just really help promote with just cleaning and strengthening and giving you the best hair possible. Okay, so now that I have completely just information overloaded y'all, I'm gonna show you the process again. So in the first video clip, I wet my hair in the shower and rinsed it of all the product, so it was completely just rinsed but dirty. But in this one I did the same thing, but I ended up unexpectedly busy, so I had to wet my hair again. But you can see how the water added shine really quick. So first, wet your hair, and then the mask is already pre-made because we made it in the beginning, so I literally just scoop it out of the container and just start applying it to my hair. And I really had a busy day this day, so I was kind of rushing. I honestly prefer in the first time when I sectioned my hair in 4, just because I ended up, and you'll see in later clips, that I had to go back and detangle my hair because I just felt like the mask should have, I just know when my hair isn't completely moisturized, if that makes sense. But anyways, this mask has so many detangling properties. I generally don't really use combs. I ended up using a comb later on just to try it, but I usually don't use combs. But for those of you that use combs and brushes on your hair, it's going to help that glide all the way through your hair. It definitely helps with me finger detangling it, especially I'll start detailing it, and whenever it feels dry, I'll add a little bit more and keep adding more until my hair feels completely saturated. And I always go back to for my scalp and my roots and my ends as well, because those always could use some love. So basically I put this all over, and when I'm done I put it in a plastic bag over my head, and usually for about an hour. So far though, it is feeling moisturized. This is the second week in a row I've done this. For sure I love this mask. It's gonna be one on my list. Okay, so this is my hair with the mask in it. It's been in here for an hour. The Dr. Bronner's Pure Castle Soap, the 18-in-1. This is the peppermint kind, and I'm also gonna wash my face with this. So I know I'm everywhere with this video, but this is where I went back and detangled my hair with the mask still in it and make sure it's fully coated before I rinsed it. So I just ended up sectioning my hair anyways because I could just tell in the front that it wasn't fully coated the second time. And this is my dad's girlfriend. I did it on her curls too, so it works for all curl types. Okay, so I'm drying. This is my hair after the mask. And after I rinse my hair, I go into shampooing. If you don't want to shampoo, you don't have to. Yeah, and then there might be like little chunks of avocado, but I've noticed avocado is way easier to come out of the hair than banana is. We have a new puppy, so ignore that. The other day at Target, I picked up this. I never used it before. It's this Beauty and Planet Clean Oceans Edition Blue Green Algae and Youthful This Marine Moisture Conditioner. Also, I never comb my hair. I feel like this is like maybe necessary. To clarify a little bit more, what I do is wet your hair, put the mask in, leave it in for 1 hour, put a plastic bag over it if you want kind of like heat added to it. Then afterwards, rinse your hair, then shampoo if you feel like it needs a deeper clean. If you like rinsed it and feel like it still feels gritty, or not gritty, but you know, when it doesn't feel clean. And then I condition, and I usually leave this conditioner in probably for like 5 or so minutes. And that Dr. Bronner is just so good. I use it not only to shampoo, but I'm going to be washing my face with this as well. So I know it's kind of dark in my bathroom. Sorry, I tried to bring my light in. But these are the curls after everything in the final rinse. Recently I picked up this conditioner, Alafafia, and this is a vanilla mint conditioner, and it says deep moisture from normal to very dry hair. I added it with the moisture or the whatever mixture. I'm just gonna add some drops of black seed oil. But I know some people can't do